Manychat Facebook Messenger Automation Tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your messenger to Manychats. What is Manychats? Manychats is an automation platform that help you send more offers or contact with or interact with your clients with more offers without making any effort. Let's take for example, you have for example a store and a Facebook page, Instagram page, or any social media page. You have a messenger or even on WhatsApp. So, for example, a client saw the offer or the store or the deal that you are promoting on Facebook. So, he wants to contact or react with the offer. For example, he wants to know the price or he wants to see if it is available or something like this. All you have to do is to set an automation with Manychat that will respond automatically with the clients. And because of some triggers that you will put, for example, of keywords or something like this, or an action with the clients, that they will interact with the automation. So you will not lose the attraction of the clients and you will not take so much time responding to the clients. Now, without a further ado, let's go with sign up or the sign in. If you don't have a account, you only need to click on sign up or get started. You choose, for example, one of these platforms. We have Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram. For today's video, we are going to do a tutorial about Facebook Messenger. We click on Facebook Messenger, then it will continue with your Facebook page. Here we click with continue with the Facebook. It will take a little moment. Then you will have to see this profile. It is created, or I have already a profile created with this account. Now let's have a simple explanation about the platform. This is the platform and the interface that you will get when you finish the inscription or the sign up. You will have you can have a 14 days free trial with the pro features, and of course you can get the free version, which is the free contacts limits. You will have 1,000. Now this is a setup account with my Instagram account. You can add of course many accounts such as WhatsApp, Instagram, and a lot of social media platforms and messengers. All you have to do is to get the account set up, then you click on the automation to create an automation. These are the automation that I have created. One is for WhatsApp and one for the messenger. You want to create the automation, you click on a new automation. You will get this trigger. This is a trigger. The trigger is an action. When, for example, a client do that action, the Manychat will be triggered and send the reaction for the client action. Let's put it simple here. Basically, your client will send a message which contain a keyword. For example, let's take only a point for a keyword. Then the Manychat platform will detect it as a trigger. Now, for the trigger, for example, a trigger is an event that starts your automation. Click to add a trigger. Let's click to add a trigger. Let's connect. Here it is supposed to be connected, but I will connect it anyway. I will reconnect it to my Facebook. Now we have to connect it with my page. A little disclaimer, guys, every email addresses or the addresses or the emails created for the sake of the videos are not used for personal uses. They are only used for educational purposes. Now I have connected my my messenger. We have this plan. You can activate the pro trial for 14 days or you can go with the free plan. Here is my simples or samples that are suggested from the site. I go again to the automation. I click to a new automation. Then I can create, for example, and choose or create from a template. I will go from scratch to be honest. Now I will go from scratch. You can either choose a template or do it for yourself. Now the start automation when the trigger specific messenger event that starts your automation. You can create a event or a trigger. For example, we can see here user sends a message, user click a referral link, user scan a QR code, user messenger from your Facebook shop. You can take one of these and then you can customize the action or the trigger. Now let's say that a client sent a message or the user sends a message. Now the select a way to trigger automation, detect specific words. This is the keywords. Here, for example, if a message contain a keyword such as a point like this, such as hello, such as hi, and we have, for example, how much. This is a abbreviation of how much. For example, this is the triggers or the keyword of the trigger. Now let's make a message condition. You can put a message condition or you can not. It's up to you. Now I will click on create. This is the option when a client sends a message. Here the Facebook, you can add a text right here. For example, the client said hello. We automatically want to automate a message that says hello, how are you? This is the simplest message with an exclamation mark. Now you can go with this, for example, and add it. Or, for example, you can add an image, a video, a card, an audio, a file, anything you want from these features or these options. You can put it a quick reply, or you can, for example, make, let's say that we have here a message that contains, I am interested. I am interested in the product, for example. Are you? I will put a response or an answer. Are you still interested? Right here with a mark here. You can add a button. Button number 1, I will take it as a yes. I will, for example, put it like this. And button number 2, I will take it for a no. Now this is the trigger that we have made. Now we can choose the next step, which is a perform action, condition, randomizer, smart delay, or the messenger, of course. I will go with the messenger step. This is the messenger step. Take it easy guys. This is like a map. Let's take an example of a map. For example, a client asks a question. It is a yes or no question. For example, he asks a question. You have a response or an answer of yes or no. You put it like this, then you guide it to the next step. For example, a client that said yes, he is interested, I will go with a text. For example, we can make here and here a response. For example, if the client is not interested with the product, we will not make a response for this. And if he is interested, I can do an action on Messenger. For example, you have, or for example, great to hear that. This is the trigger, the message that he will get. Here is the link for the store, for example, or the product like this, and he is good to go. You can add a button, you can make the messenger, for example, the link, like this, and then I can customize it. I will go, for example, with I can bind it right here, open a website. I will link, for example, a website. Let's go with google.com. Google.com, like this. I will copy this link, then I will go to the website, for example, and you can put the web view size, the additional action you can add, and the perform action, and you click on done. And you can, for example, add a next step, or you can delete it. This step is not necessary. And something like this is a little map. This is what I said before, and it is still a map that you can have multiple choices and multiple actions. You can preview this. For example, with the website, the customer said, hello, hi, how much, I am interested, is it available? Yes, you are still interested. I put, for example, yes. Here, great to hear. That is that. Here is the link for the product. You click the link and you get the Google or the link that you have set. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope that you enjoyed the video, and see you on the next one.